Question number 7 says that Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the largest share and by how much? So what we can do is we can take the whole apple as one whole part. So we can take it as 1 and we write let the whole apple be 1. Now what we have to find out is how much did Ritu eat from this one apple. So the part of the apple eaten by Ritu will be 3/5 of the apple. So that is 1 times 3/5. So that will be 3/5. So 3/5 of the apple was eaten by Ritu. Now that we have found out how much part of the apple was eaten by Ritu, we can find out what part of the apple was eaten by Somu. So the part of the apple eaten by her brother Somu will be the whole minus the part eaten by her, which is 3/5. So we'll have to make the denominators same for both the numbers because the first fraction has got its denominator as 1 and the second fraction has got its denominator as 5. The LCM is 5, so we'll write it as 5 minus 3 in the numerator, and that gives us 2/5 as the answer. So 2/5 of the apple was eaten by Ritu's brother Somu. So what we have to do now is to compare 3/5 and 2/5. As we clearly know that 3 is greater than 2, we can say that 3/5 is greater than 2/5. So we can say that Ritu had the largest share. And by how much? We can clearly say that by 1/5. Because if we do the subtraction of 3/5 and 2/5, that will be 1/5. So this is how we solve this problem.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.